everybody remembered that remember last time this was Blizzard vs Village third part. Today we're gonna do Hurricane versus Village. This is fourth part. I don't know if there's gonna be four parts. No, there's only gonna be two. So enjoy, guys. Oh, man. But remember the snowstorm? Should we, let's go back home. I think they might fix it. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Oh, we should take the other animals. This thing's so much fun. Okay. Animals, I'm coming for you. I did. I'm good with this. Oh, not that much. Ouch. Ow, my hand. Hey, guys. Stand you up. You stand up. You stand up. All of us are going. We're going back to the village we and Boots lived. You're gonna like it. It's almost like this village except that it's in the sunrise. Well, there used to be meters over there. That's terrible. A funeral? No, better. Come on, you guys. Don't push each other. Don't push each other. Okay, is everybody stand up? Up there are. Everybody follow me and you too, Boobs. Go back to the village. Honestly, they fixed it because it took like days. I haven't been there. So I have two questions. First, I want to go back because I miss my home. Second, this is the same villager as the other reporter. Oh, should not take my stuff already. I might put it back my stuff. I'm gonna take a bit longer before. Let's go, guys. So long, village. I'll come back. Never. Oh, sometimes I could come back. It's gonna take some days so until you guys clean. Except the tree. I think they're starting to clean the tree. So let's keep going. Let's go this way, baby. A long walk, everybody. Everybody is over here. Yes, you are, guys. Everybody, follow me. Oh, I want to go to the lava over there. So this way. It's gonna be a long walk. After getting home. Home sweet home. Oh, it's my chest, Oh, yeah, got my stuff back. So we go with our... I know, let's go build something, babe. After building, I'm done. You guys are in here? Yes, you are. You guys are in here? That's good. And what are you doing outside? Did you just recently glitched? Let me get you inside the back. No, get in there. Oh, you should go with the dogs. Don't worry. They won't do anything. You, why are you outside? You're supposed to be in the cat's room, not in the... You're gonna go with the dogs. Dogs, don't bite her. Leave her alone. She just doesn't have any space. So she recently needs to be here, but too much space. It took so forever to take those kitties. Okay. It looks like they built everything. Let's go back to our adventures. All the kitty needs to rest because they walk a lot, but you don't. Are you my kitty or what? Oh no, you're running. That means you're not my kitty. This. I want to punch you. That's the tree! No! No way! No! They grew it back! How? They grew it back! You. That's good. Oh! You scared me. I thought you were a zombie. Okay. Let's go back home. What else do we have we got missing? just love the song. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Ouch! How can I make that jump? Where? Oh, you take the safe zone, yeah. Oh hey, spider. Don't kill me. I won't kill you if you don't kill me. And look delicious. You're gonna drown. Noob, you're gonna drown. They can swim? Oh, you are swimming. What is wrong with you? You get out of here. Oh, quit that. Gonna need the one in the eyeball for. Ow! Yeah, die. Now he likes you. Yeah, take that. Okay, let's sorry guys. Just walk around. Can I kill some of your animals? No, I should not. That's bad. I should go get some coal. Oh, where's my pickaxe? I thought I had it. Oh yeah, I left it. Ah, damn! I left it in the back to the village. I'll put you guys back. I'll go get my pickaxe and my axe. Oh, okay, got my stuff back. I see that trouble. Where should I go? Is there a cave somewhere here? Oh, my houses are floating. Ouch, eat. Oh, God. There's like a. Let's see if there's anything over here. Oh, Booze, I didn't realize you were coming. Okay, there's any coal. I've only found iron. That's good. I'm gonna get the iron. I need coal. I don't need iron. Okay, let's get up again. There's another cave. Okay, I think there's another. It's not a cave over here. I need coal. Is this a ravine? Oh shoot. Go get that skeleton. Let's go back. This cube is dangerous. Oh. It's gonna take forever. I don't know how to play this. Let me doggy. Let's go back to the village. Let's just go to home because this is gonna be the end of the video, guys. This is how to play the game. Please subscribe and like and hit the bell button. So goodbye.